What's going on, TWP fam? Uh, Happy Thanksgiving. It's been a while since I have uploaded a video. Um, I think, if I'm being honest, I think I was so eager to start a YouTube channel that I didn't really have a plan for anything. I just wanted to, start uploading and putting stuff together on the screen and just showing people, what I was into, how to get into it as well, but by also not giving financial advice. Because as you can see, you know, I've uploaded, I've lost, and I'm still learning. But I just wanted to put a quick video up here to, just say I think I finally have like an actual setup. I'm using my iPad. I have my mic. I found an app that allows me to have my face on the screen while also showing the screen. And I I would say I have a strategy, but it's not really a strategy as much as it's a price action and just looking at solid price action. There's no indicators on my screen. It's just trend lines, wedges, and I use like breaker structures. So basically support and resistance. But I think that's the whole reason I wanted to, make this video, because now that I have this is like the tester, so I can see how to edit um, this new setup. Uh, I'm basically going to start recording and uploading my trades 5 days a week from 8:30 to about 10, possibly 8:30, 9:30. Make it just an hour long video, just to show if I found a trade. I have like my risk management set up. Um, I have my rules and trailing rules and everything like that. So I think now that I actually have a setup, I think now I'm ready to put it into action and set it up. So I told myself that I wasn't going to get back into an actual combine until I have a solid foundation of how to stay disciplined, how to follow my rules, how to listen to myself and know when to walk away from the charts. Um, so yeah, I think I don't think, I know by uploading my videos, it allows me to possibly, like, I really only want to do like 1 to 2 trades a night based off of my risk management strategies, because I'll be risking $500 each trade to make $1,500 for each profit target. So yeah, with that being said, when I first started this in March, I started with a 50K combine, and I have yet to pass that 50K combine. I've reset it multiple times. I failed it multiple times. And essentially, most of it was revenge trading, just lack of knowledge, lack of discipline, lack of patience. And it's really just a learning experience. So this Thanksgiving, I'm really grateful and thankful for the opportunity to like go through these learning curves and not quit, because I definitely wanted to quit a lot of times. definitely wanted to quit a lot of times, but I know if I quit now, I'll never make it. So yeah, I know that this is just part of the journey. But what I have noticed with the 50K combines, with the fact that I'll be risking $500 each trade, that really only gives me 4 loss attempts before breaking a rule and blowing that account. So when I do get back into the combine, I will be signing up for a 150K combine account because I believe that I don't need $4,500 to make the money that I know that I can make, but it will allow me to not really have to focus and dwell on the fact that if I lost $500, I only have 3 more attempts before, I blow the account. My mind wouldn't more so be on the losses as rather than, okay, dust it off, don't make it a habit, let's stay focused. Because with a 150K account, it gives you $4,500 of drawdown, which would be 9 attempts with my risk management strategy of risking $500 per trade. And essentially, by risking 500 to make 1,500, I'm going for a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And I know it's very doable. I know it's very possible because I've done it multiple times on my practice account. It's just, I think on my real account, the 50K account, knowing that if I lose the $500, I know that I'm one step closer to like blowing the account. So yeah, that's the mindset that I have in mind. I'll be doing a 150K practice account twice. I'll pass it twice before deciding to get back into an actual combine. Top Step has been doing a lot of updates, and they're all great. They're all amazing because like it allows you to put that risk management, on the screen. So like I could risk $500 to make hit the wrong button. I could risk $500 to make, I would say, 1,550. Because I know that if I do 5 micros of gold, because I essentially just want to stay focused on gold. I've been trading gold since I want to say September. I think I switched over September or October for gold, and the charts just seem to be a lot clearer for me. And yeah, it just makes it a lot easier for me to read the screens. Yeah, so 5 micros is 10 points. I look at points instead of ticks or whatever. So like you can either do it in dollar, ticks, percentage, or points. I like points, because that makes more sense to me when I'm looking at the chart. But yeah, 10 points is $500. 31 points is my $1,550 in gold. And yeah, that's how I make it easier for me to understand. But instead of rambling, I just really want to post a video of being honest and transparent. I finally have like a setup where I feel comfortable to have myself on the screen, using the supplies that I have. So my iPad and like got my little DJI mic. So I know that these things are capable, and I know that like this is only part of my journey, and it's only going to get better from here. So, stay tuned, and I'm most likely going to start this on Monday, because if you actually look on the screen, gold has been in this wedge for the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks now. Like we had a whole solid 9-week grab to the upside, so you could say that that's a bullish flag, and we're now creating the flag part of it. Because that 9-week streak of all-time highs basically created the flag pole, and now this like 3 week of consolidation would be the actual flag. And so now like I have the setup where I'm either looking for a daily break of structure to the upside, basically going towards new all-time highs, or if it wasn't a solid flag pattern, if it wasn't a solid wedge pattern, the squeeze could push it to the downside. But like knowing what I know and trying to follow what I know, we should be pushing back to the upside, going towards new all-time highs. But I don't know the future and I can't predict the charts. I can only trade what I see, and yeah. So we're just gonna stay patient. Gonna look at Monday, basically Sunday night, and yeah, I'll start doing these recordings starting Sunday night at 8:30, and I'll either do it for 8:30 to 9:30 or 8:30 to 10, and yeah,